Here we are on Route 66, little Roman rich Route 66 shield here. This guy is the Gasconade River Bridge. Hey, it's a great day in the Ozarks of Missouri. We're right between Richland and Hazelgreen on Route 66. It's our original 1926 Route 66 right here. This cool bridge called the Gasconade River Bridge. This thing, absolutely amazing. Anyway, goes over the Gasconade River here. And this bridge was constructed in 1924. It was part of the Missouri Highway 14. Then 2 years later, of course, it became Route 66 in 1926. Holy smokes. So it's 525 feet long, 20 feet wide, so it's pretty narrow for today's vehicles. Steel truss. Wow, we got 3 large spans. So I'm gonna head down little beach area down here, take a better look at the underside. Here's our shoreline of the Gasconade River here. Got the new highway bridges up here, but on this side, a lot of glare from the sun. Anyway, here's our old Gasconade River Bridge, built in 1924. This guy's got a steel bridge here. He's got 3 spans going across. Anyway, he wanted to tear this bridge down one time. Anyway, so these bridges here, we've got 3 of them. The middle one is for, we'll call the Route 66 bypass, and the outer ones are the east and westbound lanes of Interstate 44. So we have a big mishmash going on here. And our old bridge was kept open, but a lot of neglect and wasn't really getting repaired. So they shut it down and closed it down in 2014. You can't really get across it. You can walk across it, but you're not supposed to. So the Missouri Department of Transportation, they wanted to replace this bridge, tear it down, but little Association of Missouri Route 66 Association took over ownership of this guy, and they want to fix him up to be a little pedestrian biking bridge out here. I'll show you the concrete ends here at the, you can't really tell, but I'll walk up the hill and show you how it merges onto Route 66. So this guy's iconic bridge from 1924. Just beautiful. I'm pretty glad the little Route 66 Association saved it. And, you know, get back and forth on this bridge towards Hazelgreen that way. So we have a better look here, hopefully without as much glare from the sun. So we have the arch bridges right here, of course, the 3 spans, and then a little pony truss here cuts across at the end. This is a incredible, iconic bridge, and I'm really glad we were able to save it. Hopefully preserve a little Americana out here on Route 66. Anyway, thanks for watching, and please have a great day.